Welcome, I'm filming a Nokia 2720 Flip, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on a device. Now to get started, hold the power key right here, and from here select the power off. Once the device shuts off, we'll hold the power key and then volume up, both of them at the same time. So let's do that right now. Power and volume up at the same time. And when you see the KaiOS on the screen, you can let go. And from here, using volume keys to navigate, so you'll see, actually this works to the arrows. So we can select from here, wipe cache partition, confirm with the power. Again, select yes, confirm with power, and there we go. As you can see, the process is now finished. You can see a message, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press the power key once more. And this will take us back to the Android. And as you can see, now the process is finished. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.